This is all a sheet of ice. This is all ice. Don't let the little patch of water fool you. Whole county got hit hard just with ice. It's all in the trees, and it's still misting, and it's supposed to rain again. These tennis shoes, I'm gonna fall down again. I wish I would have ordered my boots. But I'm gonna get out here to the main road. All I hear is people spinning in the distance. I don't think I should. I don't think I'm gonna try crossing that. I don't have my boots on. But all that is ice. All of that is ice. That is Lanier Parkway. Friendship Road is the other name for it. I know better. All that over there looks melted. Bet you it's not, but there's that's asphalt that's just been laid, so it's got a lot of heat retaining. But if we get any more rain, these things are going to start coming down. Oh boy, here comes a car. I gotta get off the road. Oh, and a Mustang at that. He gonna be spinning like hell. I wouldn't be bringing that car out in this darn salty roads. I'm surprised he ain't sliding. That's how slow it'd take me to get to work. Foolish. And people wanted me to come to work. I can't do that. I can only have 2 cars. I wish I did. I wish I had me a truck. I'd be out driving in this stuff, but whoa, about fell down. I'm too old to fall down. 6 years old, you start breaking hips. Some of the stuff looks like it's melted, but it's supposed to rain again and the temperature's supposed to be dropping. Darn, the mailman don't even run. I thought the mailman was supposed to run no matter what. Sleet, snow, or they didn't run today. Alright. I gotta cross this again. No, that didn't. Alright, people, I gotta cross this again. I gotta have my hands free in case I fall.